Are you in the market for a powerful and durable Ninja blender? You're in luck. We have compiled the best Ninja blender reviews from around the web to help you find the perfect model for your kitchen. With a wide selection of blenders that vary in terms of power, size, and features, there is something for everyone. There are many products available to choose from Best Ninja Blender, each with different characteristics, benefits and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best Ninja blender from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Ninja Mega Kitchen System. We have got a professional blender, and it is the Ninja Mega Kitchen System, BL770. As from the name Mega, you can guess that this is not just a traditional blender, it is a whole package that can perform precision, dough mixing, juicing, slicing, shredding. So, anything you need to do in your kitchen, this Ninja blender is going to do that for you. This is a very high-powered blender, and for this, you will need very little time to do any kind of task. The Ninja Mega Kitchen System blender comes with multiple blade options, which are going to meet your different requirements. You can easily remove and attach the blade. Moreover, it has multiple options for containers also. Now, usually, blenders like this are not easy to clean, but the Ninja Mega Kitchen System can be easily cleaned. You can clean it in the dishwasher, but if you are Number 2. Ninja Professional Countertop Blender. Another great blender from the brand Ninja is the Ninja Professional Countertop Blender. This blender is basically a mixture of a professional and personal blender, as you are going to get a personal blender size of 16 ounces cup, and also a large pitcher of 72 ounces. This feature makes it a unique one. About its functionality, it performs really well like most other Ninja blenders. The Ninja Professional Countertop Blender has the total crushing technology, which can crush ice or frozen fruits easily, and make a perfect smoothie, ice cream, or any drink you like. Moreover, it can chop fruits or vegetables really well while using pulse speed. Now about setting up the blender and assembling it is a little bit complicated. It is not like you need expert help, but yes, you do require to spend some time understanding it. This Ninja blender comes in 3 speeds for both the blenders and pulse speed only for the big blender. All over, this is a versatile blender that can do any task very well. Pros. Great value for money, as there are 2 types of blender. Easy to clean, dishwasher friendly. Great for ice crushing and frozen fruits. Cons. Difficult to set up and disassemble. Very loud. The containers are made with cheap plastic. Need to be very careful about the sharp blades. Number 3. Ninja Professional 72 ounces Blender. This looks like a very traditional blender with a very professional performance with crushing technology. This crushing ice powerful blender has got all of the essential qualities that you want in your blender. This Ninja blender runs on 1000 watts of power, and for this, within seconds it can crush any ingredients. It is perfect for frozen fruits, ices, to make a puree, for food processing, and many more. It is a 72 ounces large pitcher where you can make drinks for your whole family. The Ninja Professional blender is safe to use. While closing the lid it makes a click sound. Number 4. Ninja QB900B Master Blender. There are many types of Ninja blenders in the market, but every Ninja blender's functionality and quality are super good. What makes this blender useful and worthy to use is an ergonomic operation with one-touch pulsing that creates an easy-to-use and safe product. Even you can control whole processing by this operating system. It can be used as a blender or food processor for frozen blending, chopping, and food prep. You can use it to make a single smoothie. It will blend just as good as the bigger one, as it is stacked blade technology with a 400-watt unit motor. Classic is BPA free. Both 48-ounce pitcher and 16-ounce chopper bowl are easy flip pour spout and no slip base with anti-spill splash guard. It has storage lids for pitchers and chopper bowls. However, you have to be careful to get your required blending while processing time, as it has only a 1-speed feature. Overall, this blender is as good as a juicer. You can make juice with this. Even you can use bananas, kale, spinach, yogurt, and frozen mixed berries, and it does great. Everything is well blended and smooth. So, our suggestion is to buy this Ninja blender if you have a low budget. Moreover, you will do everything with this. Pros. Super cheap price. Easy to use and clean. Stack blade technology. Pulse technology speed. 48 Oz pitcher for large batches. Cons. No multiple speed functionality. Motor power is not high. Number 5. Ninja Smart Screen Blender and Food Processor. The Ninja Smart Screen Blender and Food Processor come with the FreshVac technology. Sounds like a vacuum in a blender, right? It actually vacuums the oxygen, so that it doesn't mix with the blended drinks. The FreshVac technology makes it a Ninja vacuum blender. To know more about vacuum blenders, you can check our best vacuum blender reviews article. In traditional blenders, oxygen is incorporated while blending, which results in discoloration. However, with this Ninja blender that's not going to happen, and you are going to enjoy a fresh, vibrant and colorful drink. Another great feature of this blender is the smart vessel recognition, which will let you know which attachment goes with which in the touchscreen. The touchscreen display has given this blender a very classy look. Whatever you want to do, crush, blend, mix, slicing anything, this Ninja blender will do that for you. It is easy to clean, easy to use, and works great for a long time. Pros: advanced vacuum blending. Smart. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.